the same. Yeah, about the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love. But you're not asking, making sure I'm fine. If I'm not you, I haven't tried enough. Then you say you never shine so bright, but leave no room for life beside. Yours is all you ever seem to me. See you talk about health, but is it really that healthy? How you fulfill yourself? Maybe I shouldn't mind at all, but I miss when we were more similar. About the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love.
Place the transfer paper with the pattern on the felt and trace it with a heat erasable pen. Cut out this shape to create a backing for your brooch. Make the size slightly larger than the actual shape, so you will have some extra room to adjust when stitching the outline. Use white glue to secure the brooch pin in place, then stitch it onto the felt using a straight stitch.
God, you see beauty where I see loss.
Glue your embroidery and the backing together to keep them in place while you stitch the outline. Then trim the backing again so it fits the shape perfectly. Honestly, it looks pretty good already, but if you want to take it a step further, let's go ahead and do the outline. To outline the shape, we'll use a straight stitch as well. Start your first stitch from the middle of the two layers of fabric to hide the knot, then stitch from the back to the front. Looping to the back, pulling tight, and repeating all the way around. Make sure your stitches are evenly spaced and close together for a neat, polished finish.
About the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love. But you're not asking, making sure I'm fine. If I'm not you, I haven't tried enough. Then you say you never shine so bright, but leave no room for life beside. Yours is all you ever seem to me. See you talk about health, but is it really that healthy? How you fulfill yourself? Maybe I shouldn't mind at all, but I miss when we were more similar. About the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love. You're not asking, making sure I'm fine. You found another place to float away, rising higher from the ground you claim.
You did it! Now you have two adorable black fish-shaped brooches to add to your collection. Now is also the perfect time for you to make one as a little gift for your friends or family. I really loved spending this time stitching with you, and I hope you have a cozy, relaxed time too. I'm Jinlin. Have a good day and see you next time.